Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, and you know what that means. It's time to unbox this week's CSA share from Pahl's Market. You can see we have a little extra here this week because we are in tomato season, which means we got to order a box of canners. Plus, it's Great Harvest Day, so it's super double bonus here. So we got some nice premium white bread from Great Harvest. And then let's see what's in the box. All right, ooh, this is looking pretty good. All right, look at all of this. We got some more kohlrabi today. We've got some people here who really like that. Just slice it right up and eat it raw. Yum. This one's huge. It's like softball size. All right, let's see. We got some nice green peppers. Look at how beautiful these are. Let's see. 3 of them. Okay. And oh, look at this broccoli. Look how perfect that is. Just nice, mostly florets. Not a lot of stalk. Looks beautiful. All right. A lot of good meals in here. And then we have potatoes. Looks like Yukon Gold. I got some of these at Colonel Days this last weekend, and they were so good. I don't know what he did to them, but my husband fried these up. We got some smaller ones, and for some reason, the way the butter caramelized, they tasted like French toast, and that's not a bad thing. It sounds weird, but it was really good. So yeah, lots of those. That's, don't roll off the table. Definitely enough for a meal or two. Okay, we got some Roma tomatoes. These look really nice. Slice up real nice for a hamburger or caprese. All right, there you go. And that's not bad. That's just colored weird, so that's good stuff. We got a couple more cucumbers, which are super fresh and cold and wonderful. Oh my goodness, you guys, I think this is the most packed box yet because this is taking up most of my desk space here. I gotta move my notes out of the way. Okay, here we go. And we still have a half dozen ears of corn. I was up until midnight last night freezing corn. So, not sick of it yet, but we'll have corn all year round. So this is some of the best. And then we got our box of canners. So we'll split this up between us and for anybody who wants to take some home to eat and if anybody else wants to can. We got a nice big box full of them. They're perfect for canning. The bigger ones are really nice because they fill more of the jar at once and there's less peeling to do. So yeah, we use canners or tomatoes all year round. So this is really nice. And this weekend they have a member picnic. So a few of us are going to be out there and probably get some more corn or green beans and meet other CSA families. But this is our share this week, you guys. This is huge, and this is just the standard share. This is not the largest, nor is it the smallest. A lot of really great produce this year. So there you have it. That's this week's unboxing, and we'll see you next week.